Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos, and today we're looking at linear inequality and a number line level 2. So in these problems, they're just like the ones we did before, with the same notes as far as the inequality signs and how to graph them, but these will have some negatives in them. And like I said in the previous video, what you want to do is when you divide by a negative, you swap the inequality. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Let's take a look at the first problem. Alright, here I've got negative 8 plus 4 is greater than 44. And we're going to work it out like a regular equation. Just remember, when you divide or even multiply by a negative number, you have to swap the inequality. So let's see what that looks like. So I'm going to rewrite the problem. Negative 8x plus 4 is greater than 44. Now, I want to solve for x. I want to get x by itself. So first, I'm going to get negative 8x by itself. So I'm going to subtract the 4. Always do the opposite. So I'm subtracting 4 on both sides. Alright, now bring down the negative 8x. The 4 and negative 4 becomes 0. And that leaves negative 8x is greater than 44 minus 4, which is 40. Different signs, find the difference. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and continue to get the x by itself. I've got negative 8 as the coefficient in the front here. And what I'm going to do is divide by negative 8. Alright, so you can see I'm dividing by a negative. So that's when you swap the inequality around. Okay, the negative 8 divided by negative 8 is 1, and that leaves me 1 times x, which is x. 40 divided by negative 8, positive divided by negative is a negative. 40 divided by 8 is 5. Now I'm going to plug in or write that in over here. X is less than negative 5. And since it's less than, and my arrow goes this way, I know I'm going to point that way. But if you forget, don't forget to go back and look at your notes. So now I'm going to go ahead and have an open circle, negative 5, which is here. I'm going to zoom in. Negative 5, open circle, and go less than. And that's it. Alright, now take a look at this problem. You can pause the video here and see if you can solve it on your own. Alright, so taking a look at this one here, I've got it solved. You should get x is greater than or equal to 3. Okay, notice how I subtracted the 8 on both sides to get the negative 3x by itself. Same sign, find the sum, I get negative 9. I do the opposite of multiplication, which is division, and divide by a negative 3. And because it's negative, now I swap the inequality around. That leaves me with x is greater than or equal to 3. Then I can go back to my notes and understand that I've got greater than or equal to, and use the solid and go upward. So I put a solid on 3, zoom in, solid circle here, and go up. And that's it. And that is linear inequalities and number line level 2. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.